everybody, let's make some Play-Doh. Have you guys ever made homemade Play-Doh before? So easy. You need 1 cup of flour. You need 1/2 of a cup of salt. 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, or my daughter Abby calls it cream of tartar if you're super fancy. And then 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm just going to use olive oil because that's just what I have. And then 1 cup of water. If you are planning to use food coloring to color your Play-Doh, you have a choice. You could either put it in your water now, or if you want your batch of Play-Doh to be divided up into smaller batches, you can save the food coloring for later. But I'm going to make a batch of lemon Play-Doh, so I'm going to use a little bit of yellow, and we'll add the oils later. You don't want to add them at the beginning because you're going to cook this and put this over some heat, and that will kind of kill your scent for your oils. So I've got it all here in this pot. I'm just going to mix it up and take it over to the stove. All right, so now we've got our Play-Doh here on the stove on medium heat. I've been stirring this now for about 3 minutes, and you can see it's starting to thicken. Once it thickens, it's going to thicken pretty quickly. And what you're looking for is for it to kind of just form a big ball in the pan here. So in just a few minutes, a couple of minutes probably, it's going to start all coming together. It gets kind of lumpy. All right, so this is after 5 minutes on the stove, and it's like a nice big ball. So we're going to bring this back over to the counter. So bear with me here while I relocate us. Oh, there's a little Avery. All right, so after about 5 minutes on the stove, this is what you get. So I'm going to dump this out onto the counter, and then you just start kneading it until it's a good consistency, kind of Play-Doh-y consistency. You want it to cool off just a little bit more before you put your oils into it. So I've already made an orange one with orange oil. I made a peace and calming essential oil Play-Doh. I did a lavender spearmint one. It smells amazing. And then I thought one more, we'll do yellow and do a little lemon. So once this is nice and kind of cool, a little bit warm to the touch still, you can put your essential oils right on it. I found that like about 12 drops seems about good for this size of a recipe. If you were splitting your recipe into different colors, then you could also split into different flavors and then just adjust the amount of oils that you put in it just based on how you want it to smell. And oh my gosh, this smells so good. All right, so here I've got you, after you're all done, it's cooled off enough, you can roll it into little logs. I've got my orange, peace and calming, lavender spearmint, and soon some lemon. So I'll post the recipe down below so you all can make some too. It's super easy and it's pretty fun. All right, bye.